Well, to say that again, we're going to continue with our simultaneous equations work. And we're going to now make these into word problems. This is where it kind of gets a little bit tricky, okay? So when you get a question that is a word problem to do with simultaneous equations, they don't actually say, solve these two simultaneous equations. It will just be a problem, and you need to recognize yourself that you need to do it simultaneously, okay? So 17th of April, there's our title. Okay, we're going to write down sometimes when given a word problem, we may need to derive two equations solve them. Simultaneously, this means at the same time. So we'll do an example. And you're probably used to seeing questions like this. So let's say 9 pounds. 5 liters. $3.20. We're also told yeah, $3. No, $3.20. Also, 7 pens and 8 rulers. Costs $2.90. And what we have to do is find the cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1. Now, before you do anything, we want to, so this is IB, this is not just a case of just firing out solutions. We need to be able to communicate what we're doing here. Okay? So I have seen some people have written certain equations down, which is good, but we need to do something first. And anybody think of what's a good, what we have to do here? That's okay.
Write it down in words.
Okay, so what are you going to write in words?
So you're going to write like 9 pens, like plus or and.
Yes, I see what you're saying, 9 pens plus, but what are we trying to find out?
How much one penny is.
How much 1 pen costs. So if you're going to use algebra, which I see a lot of you have done, and you use the letter P, what can we let P represent?
Pens.
Just pens? Number of pens?
Number of
1 pen.
1 pen?
3 pens.
No, number of pens.
Number of pens?
Pen.
Okay, well let's
Oh, yeah,
do
1
this.
3 pens.
Because, yeah, I think 1 pen. Because you have
Okay.
numbering multiples out.
So we're going to have T is equal to something, R is equal to something. Everybody just watch for a second. Pick pens down. Okay, can anybody tell me what an equation could be using this first bit of information. Using this bit of information, can you come up with an equation? Delia.
9p plus 5r equals 3.20.
Right, 9p plus 5r equals 320. Can we stop writing? Okay, I'll let you finish in a second. Where did you get this from?
Because it's 9 pens and
Yeah.
5 rollers.
Okay.
And then p is equal to, remember?
P is not the number, because we know the number of pens is 9, so what does P represent here?
Singleton.
No. So, if we read through it, 9 pens,
Representative cause.
right, and 5 rulers costs 320. So, P represents,
The cause of 1 pen.
right, the cost of 1 pen, which is what we're trying to find out, isn't it? We're trying to find the cost of 1 pen. R represents
Cost of 1 ruler.
cost of 1 ruler. Now, if this was a criterion A, I wouldn't be so much bothered about this information. But if this is a criterion C, this is something that I would need to see. Okay, this really lets the examiner see that you understand exactly what you're doing. Okay, so this must be written down. Okay, so that's our first equation. Our next equation is somebody else. So our second equation using this information, Damon.
9p plus 8r. So 7.
Yep,
7p plus 8r equals 290.
Right, 8p, 7p plus 8r equals 290, okay? So we've got how many equations? 2. We've got 2 unknowns, okay? And this is like what we were doing yesterday, okay? Solving our simultaneous equations. Now, is it a case, stop writing? Stop writing. Is it the case that I can just add or subtract these to eliminate P or R?
No, you have to multiply.
Right, so if I had to multiply, somebody give me, what can I multiply this first one by? I'm going to do it like this. Then, if I multiply this one by 8,
No.
then I have to multiply this one by, what's that going to get rid of?
R.
The R's, right, good. Let's imagine, stop writing, put your pens down. Let's imagine I wanted to get rid of the P's. What would I have to multiply this equation by?
7.
7, I'd have to multiply this one by?
9.
Excellent, good. Let's see if you can finish this off and find me the cost of a pen and the cost of a ruler, okay? Make sure you get it all written down, okay? Is that enough? Need anything up above this? As you- So the numbers and the letters, the equations in blue, that's what we get when we multiply these original ones by 8 and then by 5. Okay, so this is to eliminate R. These are both plus 40R, so I have to subtract 32p, take away 37p. And then our R's disappear, they eliminate, and over here I get 11.10. Okay, good. So to find P, right, divide both sides by 37. So I get P is equal to 0.3, okay? How do I then find R? here. Yes, Ian?
You have to use the first equation.
Yep.
And you have to substitute the p for 0.3.
Good. So sub back into the first equation. Does it matter, Ian, if I put it back into the second one?
No.
No, it doesn't. Good. Okay, so let's put it back into the first one. I've got 9 multiplied by 0.3 plus. Have you done that for me, Ian? 9 times 0.3?
Oh, shoot, I actually kind of messed it up. Actually, I'll use 72p plus 4.
Okay, you could put it back into this one as well. You'll still get the same answer. Okay?
Oh,
So it doesn't matter. You'll still get the same answer.
so, my final answer was 0.1 for everything.
Right. Okay. Good. That sounds correct. So if I just work this out though for this equation, sorry, 0.3 times 9. Yeah. 7. At this point, yep, good. Subtract 2.7 from both sides. I get 5r equals what? Liam?
0.1.
5r equals
Oh.
0.5. So r equals 0.1. Okay, good. Hands up if you got that. Right, am I finished though?
No.
Okay, I'm not finished just yet because imagine this is the criterion C. What do I need to do? Okay, you must write this down. Purple. What do you have to do, Grace?
Show the coordinates.
Okay, now does it make sense to show coordinates?
No.
No, because it doesn't really make sense because this isn't really telling me anything. Yes, what we have done is we've solved two straight lines and we found out where they've met. But in terms of what this question is asking, what is this question asking? Yep, find the cost of 1 pen, cost of 1 ruler. This isn't really of any use to me. So, what do I need to do?
1 penny.
Right. 1 pen. Costs.
30 cents.
Okay, now you can either write it as 30 cents, or you could write it as, okay, and if you write it as 0.30, you have to have your dollar sign, okay?
And 1 ruler equals one.
Okay.
Wait, but what's
10
wrong
cents.
with my first, with my second primer? For 30 cents.
Because you had 0.3 like that, and then your cents. Okay, it's 30 cents, not 0.3 cents. Okay, that's okay. So 1 ruler costs how much?
10 cents.
Yep, or 10 cents. So it doesn't matter which way you write it, but as long as you do it correctly. How many decimal places, if you're writing in terms of dollars, must there be? Like, is that okay?
No.
No, because remember, in cents, there's 100 cents in $1, okay? So we have to have our 0 on afterwards. And that would get us the full marks. Okay, this is communicating your answer. Okay, this is needed, especially for criterion C. So if you didn't write this, then you must write it now, okay? And either putting it in cents is fine, or putting it in dollars is fine. Okay, Zaire, you have to get this written, okay? This is important. This is going to cost you levels at criterion C.
It's twice.
This is the sheet that we're going to be working on. For each of these, we're going to set up 2 equations for each question. Okay, so each question will have 2 equations that you will have to solve simultaneously. Okay. So for example, for this first one, I will start you off. Okay. We've got the length of a rectangle is twice its width. The perimeter is 30. Find its dimensions. Now, what's the first thing that you should really be thinking about doing here? Even before you do anything, I would be draw it, okay? And then I would label it. So if the length is twice its width, I don't know what those things are, so let's call them,
Variables.
okay? Well, give me a letter then.
L.
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 Well,
Okay.
W.
W. It doesn't matter, let's call it W.
WL.
If this is W, then what is the length?
W.
The length of a rectangle is twice its
Oh,
width.
2W.
So it's 2W, okay? The perimeter is 30. Find its dimensions. What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
All the way around.
All the way around. So, give me an equation equation, set it up. Actually, I take that back. This question will only have one equation in it.
Oh, what?
So, perimeter is the distance the whole way around. So, give me
P equals 2W.
P equals 2W plus W plus
Oh,
plus
2W.
2W, okay? Because it's the whole way around. 2W plus W plus W plus 2W. How many W's is that?
6.
Right. And what does it say the perimeter is?
30.
Perimeter is 30.
Oh, so W equals 5.
Right, so W equals 5. So the width is 5, but what is the length? The length is
10.
twice its width, so the length is 10. Okay, so they get more progressively difficult as it goes on, and setting up the equations is the hard thing, okay?
This is easy enough.
Wait, so
Two numbers. The difference is 3. Why can't I write that down in terms of maths? Eliza,
1, 2, 3, 4.
how do I write down in math the difference in two numbers is 3?
2 minus, no, n minus 1 equals 3.
N minus n equals 3? Now, if the two numbers, if you say n minus n equals 3, what are you saying about these two numbers?
They're the exact
They're exactly the same, and if I
Okay,
subtract two numbers that are exactly the same,
N minus n.
they would equal 0, wouldn't it? So I have to call
And
two letters something
X
different.
equal, S,
So what did you say, Julia?
n minus 1.
Right, you could say n minus m equals 3. Okay, the difference of two numbers, n and m, is equal to 3. Which one of these is the bigger number, n or m? N has to be bigger, yeah? Right, the sum of 3 times the larger one. So which is the larger one? Okay, the sum of 3 times the larger one. What's 3 times the larger one? 3n. And the sum of 3 times the larger one, so the sum of 3 times the larger one, and twice the smaller one, how can I write twice the smaller one? 2n is equal to 19, right? So I've got one equation, I've got my second equation. And now I solve them simultaneously.
Oh, it also says that,
Big means. Alright, there are no means involved. What you're gonna wanna do is multiply the top by 2.
I could do
No,
this already in my head.
yes. No, you're gonna multiply the top by 4 and bottom by 2.
But there will be questions where the numbers won't be as nice. You won't be able to hit your head, okay?
Yeah, that's just.
So make sure you get all of this written, okay? Coming up with these equations is the hard bit.